Monday Sales CRM tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about Monday.com's Sales CRM. It's an amazing tool for you to get started. Plus, you can get a free trial on Monday.com. They have different plans available for different sizes of businesses, so you can upgrade as you go. And even on their basic CRM, they have a $12 per seat per month plan, which includes unlimited free viewers, customizable pipelines, unlimited contact boards, and more. They also have some amazing templates for lead management, contact, and deal management. And they also have their standard and pro version where you can also get features such as mass emails, HTML editors, custom automations and integrations, as well as dashboards for account summaries. So let's get started on the Monday.com sales CRM. All you have to do is head on over to Monday.com and you can go into product and then go into the sales CRM. Now, once you go into the sales CRM, you can click on try for free on any of the plans that you want to try out. So I'm just going to click on try for free over here to get started with the Monday.com sales CRM. Now, all you have to do to create your account is you can enter your email address over here, or you can continue with Google. It's totally your own preference. And once you do that, you are going to fill out your basic information. So first off, just put in your name, and then you're going to create a suitable password. Then after that, you have your account name. So your account name is usually your business's name or the department that you are in. So if this is for a particular department only, you can name it on that particular department, or you can just set it as the business name. So let's say our company is called Durden, and I'm just going to click on continue. After that, we are just going to click on continue over here, and we can get started with Monday.com's sales CRM. So it's getting our CRM ready in a few seconds. And from here, we can add our team members. Now, with those, you have two variations. You can add people as administrators who can invite and manage new users, or you can add them as members where they can only edit and manage content. So you can add your employees or your other managers over here. I'm just going to skip through this part. And then after that, you can name your contacts board. Now, depending on how you want to structure your CRM, you can rename this into maybe vendors, you can rename this to suppliers, or anything else. I am going to name this contacts to make it simple and more customizable later on. And you can add a few contacts to make it easier. So let's say we have a contact called Katie, and let's say we have a contact called Earl. And then I'm just going to click on next. Now, after that, you have your groups for contact. So you have active contact, inactive contact. This is just for your basic structuring. I will just rename this as, let's say, you can categorize your contacts based on anything. It could be whether or not they are VIP customers or, suppliers, whether someone is a actively engaged contact, whether they are vendors or suppliers or they are customers. You can, segregate them however. I'm just going to segregate them into, let's say this is going to be suppliers. And then maybe our second list could be customers. Like this, and then, or let's say this could be suppliers and vendors, or inactive suppliers, like this. Now, after that, you have a few different columns that you can add to your boards. For example, you have the type, the priority, phone number, accounts, deals, title, deals value, comments, all of that. So I'm going to simplify this first. And in the type, you have the contact type. So if they are a customer or a partner, you can add that. Let's say I want to add the type and the phone number and the email address and the deals related. Let's say I do want a title and a deal value as well. So I'm just going to put deal value and deals together and then the title. Then after that, I'm going to click on finish over here to complete our setup. And this will give us a brief setup of all we need to know. Now, once you have completed this, you can click on home on the top left to see a summary of everything. Then on your left, you will see a home workspace. Now, in your workspace, you can get started with customizing it to your own business's liking. Now, on your top right, you will have your account setting or your profile settings, and on the left panel, you will have your workspace. You can build multiple different CRM solutions for multiple different businesses on Monday.com, so you can add another workspace and build a different CRM for that. Now, as you guys can see, we have a contact section, then you have a deals section, a leads section, an account section, activities, sales dashboard, and then just a getting started board. I'm going to remove the getting started board because it is of no use to us. And then after that, you can click on add item to workspace and you can build a new board that might be relevant to you. So let's say I want to build a new board over here like so. And you can build a new board depending on your CRM's nature. If you want to deal with ticketing, if you want to deal with customer management, customer support, anything like that, you can integrate it into your CRM as you go. However, let's take a look at some of the basic CRM fields where you can see the core CRM boards. Now, if there are certain boards that do not apply to you, such as activities, then you can choose to deactivate these boards or to basically remove these boards. This is just to simplify your CRM to make sure that it's not too cluttered for your business. Now, let's get started in actually setting up our contacts. As you guys can see, we built two different categorizations, but what happens if you have more categories? Well, it's very simple. You can just scroll and click on add new group over here. Once you go into add new group, you are going to rename the group into whatever you want. Let's say this is going to be customers, and you can set a particular color as well by clicking on the left panel and then choose the color that you want. Over here, I can add customer information. So let's say we have Wendy, and then I can add the type over here where this is going to be a customer. Then we can add any deal or any ticket. So for this particular customer, the deal column is not going to be relevant. So I can leave that be and change this and add the customer ticket form or customer ticket column over here. Now, your data is going to be derived from your other boards. So you can go into the next board over here on the left panel where you have deals. Now, in your deals, you will have the value of deals. You can add the owner, which might be the person that is directly handling your end of the business. And you can put in an automation to make it easier for any changes that are present within the deal. Then you have a lead section, which can allow you to manage your potential leads and potential expansion to your business. You can categorize these into a more efficient manner by rephrasing into active leads and then closing in. And you can, do this in statuses as well, but having a different group for the different levels at which a lead is present can be a helpful way to visualize your progress. And you can click on add view and go into a Kanban view over here. And a Kanban view is going to help you in making sure that your leads have been progressing and are going on track as you expect. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with the Monday.com sales CRM. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.